The FBI has warned that consumer-grade surveillance and hacking tools will be almost impossible to control in the future. Tools and equipment once reserved for intelligence services, organized cybercrime, and professional penetration testers are now at your fingertips in everyday online marketplaces. Here are 20 secret hacking tools you can purchase on Amazon. Number 20. USB password crackers. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary flash drive somebody forgot inside a backpack pocket. No warning labels, no aggressive branding, just a tiny USB stick, barely larger than a house key. Then, cybersecurity demonstrations started showing similar tools extracting passwords from vulnerable systems shockingly fast, once connected. Some are marketed toward ethical security testing, others are designed for password recovery. But once tutorials started circulating online showing login systems being bypassed within minutes. Number 19. Wi-Fi pineapple devices. This is one of those gadgets that sounds unreal, until you understand what it actually does. Certain rogue access point tools can imitate trusted Wi-Fi networks nearby, causing vulnerable devices to connect automatically without users realizing anything changed. Meanwhile, traffic may be passing through a completely different device, sitting quietly inside somebody's backpack across the room. Originally designed for penetration testing and network auditing, similar tools quickly became controversial once demonstrations revealed how easily unsecured connections could be manipulated in public spaces. Number 18. RFID card cloners. Most people never think about how many wireless credentials they carry every day. Portable RFID cloning devices entered public conversation, and suddenly, contactless security stopped feeling quite so secure anymore. Some demonstrations online looked almost absurdly simple. A scanner briefly passes near a pocket or backpack. Seconds later, a duplicate credential appears on another card entirely. That footage changed public perception immediately because the entire process looked invisible. Number 17. Keystroke injection tools. Security researchers sometimes describe these devices as trusted imposters. They plug into computers disguised as harmless keyboards or USB accessories. But instead of acting normally, they begin executing pre-programmed commands automatically at extremely high speeds. Entire command sequences can launch before somebody even realizes the device has connected successfully. Once demonstrations started appearing online, showing systems being compromised within seconds. Number 16. Hidden camera detectors. Ironically, one of the fastest-growing surveillance gadgets online is designed to find other surveillance gadgets. Tiny portable detectors capable of identifying hidden wireless cameras exploded in popularity after travelers started discovering covert recording devices inside hotels, rentals, and changing rooms worldwide. Some use infrared reflection scanning. Others search for unusual wireless signals nearby. People became so paranoid about invisible surveillance technology that entire markets formed around trying to detect it. Number 15. Cell signal interceptors. This is where the line between consumer electronics and intelligence equipment starts becoming blurry. Certain controversial signal monitoring devices claim to analyze nearby cellular activity under very specific conditions, drawing immediate attention from regulators and cybersecurity agencies. The fear surrounding this technology comes from how invisible the process feels. Your phone still works, messages still arrive. Nothing outwardly looks wrong. Meanwhile, discussions around rogue interception hardware have grown serious enough that governments worldwide continue tightening restrictions around related technologies. Number 14. Network packet analyzers. Most people imagine hacking as something loud and aggressive. In reality, some of the most revealing tools simply watch quietly. Packet analyzers allow users to inspect network traffic moving across connected systems, something cybersecurity professionals use legitimately every day during diagnostics and vulnerability testing. Number 13. Laser audio listening devices. This technology sounds like science fiction, right up until somebody demonstrates it using a window across the street. Laser listening systems can detect tiny surface vibrations caused by sound and reconstruct portions of conversations remotely under certain conditions. Governments and intelligence agencies have reportedly experimented with variations of this technology for decades. Then, civilian-grade versions started appearing online, and public fascination exploded immediately. Number 12. GPS tracking magnets. There is something deeply unsettling about how small modern tracking technology has become. Some GPS devices are barely larger than a pack of gum, yet powerful enough to monitor movement continuously for days or even weeks. And unlike movie trackers, these do not require complicated installations. Some simply attach magnetically underneath vehicles in seconds. Once real-world stalking cases started involving similar technology, public concern escalated fast. Suddenly, the ordinary movement itself stopped feeling completely private. Number 11. Password extraction tools. Some of these devices are barely larger than a USB stick. Security professionals demonstrated how similar tools could rapidly expose weak systems during controlled testing, which immediately raised fears about what could happen if the same technology spread beyond professional environments. The problem started when similar tools became widely available online with almost no restrictions. And watching demonstration footage, where entire login systems become exposed in seconds, makes modern digital security suddenly feel way thinner than most people assume. Number 10. Key fob, signal relays. Modern vehicles introduced convenience. They also introduced entirely new vulnerabilities. Signal relay systems exploit the fact that many smart keys constantly search for nearby vehicles, automatically. Online demonstrations became infamous for a reason. One person stands near a house holding a relay device. Another stands near the target vehicle outside. Seconds later, the car unlocks and starts normally. That footage terrified people because it removed the image of traditional theft entirely. No smashed glass, no visible damage. Just invisible wireless communication, being manipulated silently in real time. Number 9. Miniature audio bugs. The scariest part about modern listening devices is not how advanced they have become. It is how ordinary they look now. And once investigators started finding similar devices hidden inside rentals, offices, and hotel rooms globally, public paranoia exploded. Because suddenly, everyday objects stopped feeling completely trustworthy. Number 8. Deauthentication tools. Most people assume Wi-Fi simply goes bad sometimes. Few realize that certain network testing devices can intentionally force vulnerable connections offline by interrupting communication between routers and connected devices. Cybersecurity researchers use legitimate versions for diagnostics and stress testing. The controversy came once modified versions spread online alongside tutorials showing how nearby networks could temporarily collapse without victims understanding why. And suddenly, something millions rely on daily started feeling surprisingly easy to disrupt. Number 7. Thermal phone cameras. At first, these looked like harmless tech gadgets for contractors and engineers. Then, online demonstrations started revealing how thermal imaging could expose heat signatures left behind on surfaces moments after somebody touched them. That detail changed the conversation immediately. Suddenly, pin pads, keyboards, and security panels stopped looking as secure once people realized residual heat patterns could sometimes reveal recent interactions. Watching invisible fingerprints glow on-screen after somebody walks away feels unsettling in a way most people do not expect. Number 6. Voice cloning devices. This is where modern technology starts becoming genuinely uncomfortable. Real-time voice replication tools became controversial. Once demonstrations showed how convincingly some systems could imitate tone, cadence, and speech patterns from short audio samples alone. Fraud investigators quickly started paying attention. Because once voices themselves stop feeling reliable, entire assumptions around identity begin breaking down with them. And hearing a familiar voice say something they never actually said creates a kind of unease that feels deeply personal. Number 5. USB data blockers. Ironically, one of the most important cybersecurity gadgets today exists because people became afraid of ordinary charging cables. Data blocking adapters are designed to prevent unknown USB ports from transferring information, while still allowing power to pass through. People became concerned enough about public USB ports that they started carrying defensive hardware just to charge their phones safely. Number 4. Satellite communication terminals. Governments became increasingly concerned once portable satellite communication systems started becoming smaller, cheaper, and easier for civilians to access. Unlike traditional internet infrastructure, satellite systems can bypass local communication controls almost entirely. If connectivity no longer depends completely on nearby towers or local providers, controlling digital communication becomes dramatically harder. Number 3. Hidden wall adapter cameras. This is the gadget that consistently makes people uncomfortable the fastest. Hidden camera technology became far more disturbing once manufacturers stopped making devices look suspicious entirely. Some covert cameras are now embedded directly inside ordinary wall chargers, capable of recording continuously while appearing completely harmless, sitting beside a bed or office desk. No blinking lights, no exposed lens, nothing to visually tip you off that you are under surveillance. When comparison videos showed how difficult these devices were to detect inside real environments, public trust in everyday electronics took a major hit. Number 2. Portable IMS eye-catcher systems. This is the type of technology that sounds too advanced to exist outside intelligence agencies, until cybersecurity researchers start discussing it publicly. IMSI catching systems imitate legitimate cellular towers under specific conditions, causing nearby phones to connect automatically. The terrifying part is how invisible the process feels. Meanwhile, security experts worldwide continue warning about rogue interception, hardware becoming more accessible than ever. Number 1. Rubber ducky script injectors. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary USB flash drive, but cybersecurity experts warned that this scripted USB device can automatically execute attack commands the second they connect to vulnerable computers. Online demonstrations shocked people because entire systems could begin changing within seconds before victims even realized anything was wrong. No dramatic hacking screen or suspicious software pop-up, just a tiny device pretending to be a trusted keyboard while launching commands faster than a human could type. And as these tools become cheaper and easier to customize, experts fear advanced cyber attack methods are quietly becoming accessible to almost anyone. Today, versions of the same concepts quietly exist inside ordinary online marketplaces. That may be what cybersecurity experts find most concerning. So which gadget surprised you most? The fake cell towers, the hidden wall cameras, or the pocket-sized signal hacking devices? Tell me in the comments.